Today I'll be showing you how I replaced the old waistband on this magenta Nike sports bra. On your left you can see what the old waistband used to look like. It was rugged. So I bought this Victoria's Secret cheeky panties just so I could repurpose the waistband to use as a new waistband for this sports bra. So the first thing I did was to seam rip the panties from the waistband. And now that the elastic is free, I am going to cut it short by about 2 inches. I left a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance on both ends. So in total, it was still 2 inches. I sewed it using a zigzag stitch, and now I marked the quarter points on the sports bra and the elastic waistband. So I pinned the front, I pinned the side, and I also pinned the other side, and then I flipped it and pinned the back. And now the waistband is ready to be sewn onto the sports bra. Because I didn't have a serger, I used a zigzag stitch. Because I have a zigzag stitch sewing machine, the settings were the stitch length was 1.5 and the stitch width was 3 or 4. I used royal blue thread on top and magenta thread on the inside. That way it looks more cohesive. And here's what it looks like before and after. And now the sports bra is finally ready after all these years. I can, take it to jump rope or do the next clothing challenge. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope this inspired you to fix your old sports bra. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!